So I got a couple of burros. Which is what this area is really famous for, is wild burros. Hey buddies, how are ya? Oh, you're gonna come right up to the window. You are, you're so sweet. Hi. 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 Oh, very nice. Very, very nice, you guys. Very sweet. So where are you going? You guys just gonna go right up the hill, huh? Well, very nice to meet you. Yes, and you too. Yes. Got both two noses right in my truck window. All right, you guys, I'll see you later, okay? Have a good day. Sorry, I don't have any food for you. Well, you really just have your nose right in the window, don't you? So cute. My goodness. Hope they're gonna be okay. Oh, they're backing up now. Okay. See you later, guys. Got cars behind me. Look at that view, huh? It's pretty outstanding, I would say.